Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the T3B Trading System. Alright, now the T3B Trading System is a lesser known but structured approach that focuses on trend continuation and breakout opportunities. Alright, so it is designed to help traders stay aligned with the prevailing market direction while identifying strong entry points. The system often combines moving averages, trend filters, and even momentum indicators. All right? To define the overall market bias. So once the trend is established, traders look for pullbacks or consolidation phases as potential entry zones. All right. Now you might want to decide the momentum indicator to use, and of course your moving averages, maybe period and the type of moving average. But basically you need to understand market structure. You need to understand your overall market bias. For example, here we're having a bearish trend, and then we can see price bouncing off the moving average. And of course, you want to wait for a pullback. You wait for a pullback to the moving average. You get a confirmation from your momentum indicator, and then you execute your trade in the direction of the trend. So the idea is simple, right? You trade in the direction of the trend after a temporary pause in price movement. For example, you can see in a bearish trend, we actually have price move down, pull back, move down again, pull back, right? So after a temporary pause, after that pullback, you want to enter in the direction of the trend. All right, you want to enter in the direction of the trend, before price makes the next impulsive move. Okay. All right. So another aspect of the T3B system is confirmation. Traders typically wait for price to show signs of continuation, such as breakouts or strong momentum candles, before entering a trade. So overall, the T3B trading system is focused on patience, trend alignment, and timing entries during pullbacks or breakouts. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.